Alors, Bertrand Samimi, uh, head of the project of CT Pro. Good morning to you, and
Good
thank you
morning,
for being
Francesco.
with the mobile side. So, CT Pro, um, an editing suite, a world, an ecosystem that allows you to develop journalistic content, first of all, but in general, mobile video content for professional production. What is CT Pro exactly, and what's the philosophy behind this project?
Francesco, thank you for this time and thank you for this change review and with all your network and all the people looking this movie. We don't have built an app. We don't have built an ecosystem. We have built a tools. The big difference is the first thing you search when you are a journalist, you need something using the correct workflow, the global workflow. If you look Mavis, if you look the iPhone camera, if you look Filmic Pro, if you look all existing camera today into the store, into all store, all of them is most powerful, is really powerful, really incredible. And bravo to all the development team, really bravo. Our difference is into the same app, into the same workflow, without going outside for your app, you have everything you need. You start your project, you shoot your text, stay into your project. You never need to go outside to change from one application to another application, and you can done your global work. We are not an editing system. We are not a shooting system. We are a global system. You shoot, you quickly jump to edit. When you go to edit, our difference, our app is really more simple if you compare CT Pro editing features and LumaFusion editing feature, KineMaster editing or Adobe Rush editing, we are absolutely different. We have one command basis. We make editing, but we don't have some feature existing on all or different because on professional, you don't need, you don't make, for example, uh, um, keying by using an app. No.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
want to make a keying, if you are a broadcaster, if you are a pro user, first, journalists don't have time to make keying. First, journalists want tell the story, and he are a mobile journalist. We need the real shooting features, and we have built all the features needed by journalists and have it in your actual camera, Zebra, waveform, vector scope. These three features, it's a real tools for define your exposure, your color balance, and define your last aspect of your movie when you're shooting. For example, okay, if you want bring a real journalist and say, okay, don't use your normal camera and jump to mobile shooting. These guys say, okay, I do this task if I find the same tools I have already on my big camera. The second possibility, the second advantage or difference is you need, when you want to shoot, you need to put in around your phone different accessories. You know it, and you show us different accessories every month. You find and you make a video demo, etc. We don't find the correct tools. We have find everywhere the correct tools. What is the correct tools? Correct tools, it's a tools permit to put into your phone, into your under a light. Correct tools must permit to use your own microphone receiver because into your TV station you have your already accessory existing. How you can input this microphone into your phone? We have add this interface audio in Lightning. This is a Lightning interface audio.
Yeah.
We have worked with Saramonic and inject into this Lightning interface the audio comeback journalists want heard, not the incoming audio. He want heard the audio comeback, the audio you have wreck. This is what journalists want heard. And the number 3 is the power. You know, like me, the new phone, iPhone 11, and the future phone have a better battery. Okay, but is never enough. When you go for one full day to shooting, you don't have enough battery. If you make a live, Francesco, and you won't use a live, we speak about live.
Big issue.
Big issue because your battery is dead after 1 hour and your phone cannot continue to working. We have built these tools. Into each handler, you have a battery, a big battery inside on each side, and you have these 2 battery, one left, one right, and we have implement in the center a QI, a wireless charger. You have your wireless charger here. You just put your phone into this grip. You put your phone here into this grip, and your phone is charged by using wireless. Also, okay, if you have an iPhone 6, iPhone 7, don't have wireless features, but if you have iPhone 8 and later, all of them have wireless. You put your phone, and your phone is charging by wireless. You just plug your lightning cable because your lightning is now available. You put it here, and you have a complete tools, complete without many cable on every side, without many different, and the looks is pro. You know, you don't shoot with a phone with some accessory you have to put, build, etc. to make like a pro. No, pro need specific tools, and this is our second tools we have built for pro user. Francesco, we are the first app over the world from 2 years now. We export fully through Final Cut. We export fully to Adobe Premiere. Who do it today? Why we work on this?
Pro also.
And to Switcher Pro. Why we do it on this way? Why? Because Pro say to us, Pro TV say to us, we have into our TV station Editman. Make a Mojo is not saying, okay, you Editman go out and your work is finished. No. It's saying the journalist can prepare and can build in French, the name is ours, the structure of your editing. And once he come back, he export and you make your work with all your knowledge.
Bertrand, my real thanks because you gave us a speech, a lectio magistralis about not only the tool that you are developing, but about what Mojo really is. That is not something technical, is not something impressive, is not something that
exactly
you have to use for impress people, but it's something that you have to use to tell the stories different way, and to use a lighter gear, to have a tool that gives you solution to your problems, to have a tool that gives you the chance to do a step ahead in a modern way to do journalism. Thank you for everything. But you asked me if I wanted to edit it, but I don't want, because you gave us a demonstration about what CT Pro is. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Francesco. Bye-bye.